Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who all are new in my channel, my name is Glam Girl Krishna. Today I am gonna to create this purple eye makeup look. ये मेकअप आप अपनी ऑफिस पार्टी इवेंट या अपनी नॉर्मल गेट टुगेदर में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं बिकॉज ये बहुत ही सिंपल और इजी है. सो या आज का ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो मैंने शेयर करा है. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड या विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम let's get started with this video. So firstly I'm gonna be using Rainy Bollywood filter primer. Love this primer. It's a very easy and blendable primer. It's just blur out your skin pores. You can use on your eyelids and that's it, you're done. Next I'm gonna be using this Manish Malhotra concealer. This concealer is suitable for all skin types, oily, combination, dry. Anybody you can use it. It's easy blendable and make sure you can use soft wet sponge to blend your concealer. I'm using Sugar Cosmetic contour stick and I'm lightly contouring my cheekbones and my jawline here. And I'm going to use a little bit more concealer in all the dark areas of my face, basically all these areas, and I'm going to use a blending pack sponge. Next, for a foundation today, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me Full Coverage Foundation, shade 220. Liquid blush shade Peachy Pink. I am going to take a little bit of blush and start applying it on the at the soft of my cheeks, little bit my nose as well. Now just set the base. First I'll be using Kiro compact powder. I'm first going to set the areas around my eyes. So with powder brush I'm going to take a little bit of powder, dust it and start setting my base lightly with it. Close your eyes for a second. Next for my eyebrows I'll be using Pack Brow Kit. Then I drop out of shape, then I brush them upwards and fill out all the gaps. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'll first take this purple shade from the palette and I'll apply it all over my lid, and I'll take a little bit color, dust the excess and then start applying it on my eyelid. I am going to take this shade from the palette and I am going to apply it on my outer corner. I am going to take this shade from this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and I am going to apply it on my crease. I am going to take this shade from this palette and apply it on the top of my eyes as an eyeliner, and done. Next I'm going to use a Swiss Beauty Insta Glow highlighter. I'm first going to highlight my inner corner, my brow bone, just a little bit highlighter, just hint of highlighter. Now next to highlight my face, I'll be using the same highlighter Swiss Beauty Insta Glow, and I'm just going to highlight all the high points on my face. This is such a nice highlighter, guys. It's like a beautiful highlighter.
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me.
Next I'm going to use a Maybelline mascara.
It's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me. It's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so.
Now next for a lip liner, I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty lip liner shade Cherry Brown.
I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Lastly, I'm gonna be using this Swiss Beauty liquid lipstick. And yeah, that's it. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Go and follow me on my Instagram and also on my Facebook, Twitter. All the links will be down in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Hit the red subscribe button and also don't forget to press the bell button which is right next to it, because that way you'll get a notification every time I posted a video. And yeah, like, comment, share my video. Love you all. Bye bye.
I know what I'm supposed to do. Brain makeup. I know what I'm supposed to do. You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me.